Huh? What time is it? Oh no! We slept in! Oh my god, I can't believe we slept in! Come on, come on! Come on! Come on! I don't know where my luggage is. Here you go. Actually, that's yours. You want to trade? Okay. So, okay. Come on, we don't. Come on, come on. Can't believe we were late. Come on, come on. Did we miss the flight?
No, you just made it.
Phew. Well, I thought we were late. Come on, let's go. I can't believe we made it to the plane.
Yeah, that's true. But I kind of have the feeling we forgot something.
Or someone. From now there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's clearly all of us. I still have the feeling we've forgotten something. Did we? Terry, did we? Did we leave the lights on overnight again? Probably twice. Why? Yeah, everything. Blow away! I'm home alone! Hey, Speedy! I'm using your spinning things again. Better hurry up and stop me. Hey, Boomer! I just let your piranha plant loose. Better come down and stop me.
Ooh, looks like as everyone's left. You know what this means? It means there won't be any presents for us. No, you idiot! It means that everyone's on their Christmas vacation. And that means we're gonna have to rob this house. Alright. How do we get in? There's only one way to find out. Let's go.
Oh my god! Some robbers are going to break into my house. No, it can't happen. It mustn't. It wouldn't. Not now. Not then. Not ever again. I got every booby trap. Okay. I'll just put these in. Just putting these fireworks in. Now to put the violent movie back on.
You. I've seen you've added onto enough. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna give you the count of 10, to get your stinky billing things off my property. 1, 2, 10.
Dude, calm down. What happened? There's been some shooting in the house.
And I feel like the word snakes was familiar, and I thought I recognized it. Come on, it's just one of those movie clips. That means someone tricked us. Come on, let's go.
What? No flights until tomorrow? Come on. I need to get back home to get Bluey. Seriously. Some of those the other flights are closed, and there's still no flights until tomorrow. Yeah, I got it. Got it. How?
Oh, good thing I found a way to get in. Ciao. So, what's going on? How bad could it? Ouch! Ow! Ooh, ouch! Jesus! Ow! Ah. Ow. Oh. Two. 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 Oh. Oh.
Bye. Bye. Say goodnight, plebs.
Ouch. Ow. 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 Jeez. Oh. Oh.
Hello, this is Nelly, and someone's trying to rob my house.
Thank you so much for getting us to drive us here. Thanks, Darth Vader. No problem. Just so you know, sometimes when driving gets me bored, I haven't known to fall asleep sometimes. What? If I go to sleep, scream. Ah, okay, I'm awake.
You guys give up, or you're thirsty for more?
Come on. He's trying to get away. Come on. I got him. Come on, Marv, help me. Ouch! Oh my God. Okay, don't move. Wait, what are you doing? Just don't move. I got this. Dude, seriously. Ouch! Did I get it? How dare you? How about you get it in the face? Bluey.
Archie!
Yeah, I've been looking all over for you. Come on, let's go.
Okay,